Understanding Refill Stations, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and environmentally friendly concept: refill stations. This is something you might encounter in everyday life, especially if you're passionate about sustainability. Let's dive in and understand what refill stations are and how they are used. Refill stations are designated spots where people can replenish their containers with products like water, soap, or even food items like grains and pasta. They are an eco-friendly alternative to single-use packaging. At these stations, you bring your own container and fill it up with the amount of product you need. This helps reduce waste and promotes a more sustainable lifestyle. Refill stations can be found in various places. They are commonly located in supermarkets, health food stores, and sometimes in public spaces like parks or community centers. Some coffee shops also offer refill options for coffee beans or tea. Knowing where to find these stations can make your shopping more sustainable and often more economical. Using refill stations has several benefits. 1. Reduces waste. By reusing containers, we minimize the amount of packaging that ends up in landfills. 2. Saves money. Often, buying products in bulk from refill stations can be cheaper than purchasing pre-packaged goods. 3. Promotes healthier choices. Many refill stations offer organic or locally sourced products, supporting healthier and more sustainable choices. Using a refill station is simple. 1. Bring your own container. Make sure it's clean and empty. 2. Weigh your container before filling it. This ensures you only pay for the product, not the container's weight. 3. Fill your container with the desired amount of product. 4. Weigh the filled container and pay for the product. Refill stations are a fantastic way to reduce waste and embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. They're easy to use and can be found in various locations. We hope this video helps you understand and make the most out of refill stations. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. See you in the next video, and keep learning.